This is Renee Romeo of ReneeRomeo.com, and welcome to my 2019 Patio Style Challenge Reveal sponsored by the Home Depot. Now, many of us have outdoor spaces that are completely empty and we just don't know where to start furnishing for our outdoor entertaining. So I'm going to give you 5 easy steps, and yes, there are only 5, that are going to take your outdoor space from bland to beautiful in no time. So let me show you the before and we'll get going with the after. Step 1 is choosing your foundation pieces, and that means furniture and grill. In my case, I have Hampton Bay's Laurel Oaks 4-piece conversation set, along with an additional side table, and Traeger's Pro 575 Smart Pellet Grill with Wi-Fi technology. They're all going to be perfect for the way that I entertain. What I love about a conversation set is the ability to move the furniture around depending on what type of entertaining you're doing. So someone can sit in this chair just like this, look across the property and enjoy the view. But if someone were sitting here and wanted to have an intimate conversation, you could just take the chair, pull it up nice and close, and enjoy that extra connectivity that this type of conversation set allows you to have. And all you need to do with the grill is make sure that you have a minimum of 18 inches all the way around for safety and easy access for all your guests. Step number 2 is installing plants and trees. This is really a great way to soften all the hard edges of any patio, especially if you live in an urban setting. These little DIY projects that I did in the last video will give you your own little instant lawn, and trees, nice tall trees. What are the trees doing? They're giving us a sense of height, they're giving us a sense of enclosure or coziness, and they're adding all kinds of texture to this space. And not only is the plant material giving us interest in the space, it's setting us up for step number 3. The third step is lighting, and this structure I made out of 4x4 posts and Home Depot buckets gives me a very expensive looking backdrop for this conversation set. It gives me the ability to hang gorgeous lanterns with beautiful candlelight, and it gives me a place for a hanging basket. So this is the perfect backdrop for an area like this. It creates beautiful dramatic height. I've strung each tree with a little mini light set like this, little lanterns. They pick up on the same style as the lanterns I'm using for the candles. It's going to give me one extra layer of lighting, and then I have copper wire lights like this. They're electrified just like the LED lantern lights that I have in the trees, and I'll be stringing these through the trees as well. This is going to create a third layer of light in this entire area and create a beautiful warm glow for the patio. And if you've never seen an outdoor LED candle like this, you're in for a treat. This is completely remote controlled. It makes operating all 4 of these candles just as easy as a touch of a button. On, off. Now we're at step number 4. I've installed all of my soft accessories. These are all the items that are going to help your guests linger a little longer than they otherwise thought they would. The great thing about these is that Hampton Bay has them completely figured out for you. All of the color tones that they use in their outdoor fabrics for throw pillows and poofs make it really foolproof for you to mix and match over the entire Hampton Bay collection. You can choose red, green, blue, yellow, you name it. If you pick it, they'll automatically go together because they're all grayed down versions of those colors. Makes it really easy to mix and match, and you can change them out every year and they'll automatically go together. And don't forget a cozy throw, because this is really nice to have on a chilly night. The 5th and final step in creating the perfect outdoor setting for your next patio party is to add some entertaining accessories. Now, a cutting board like this is the perfect solution. This is also Hampton Bay. The great thing about it, it's got a pull-out drawer here, and you can see they've got a bunch of different cutting mats. So as you go through the course of your party, you can change out these mats. So you can go from a charcuterie board like this to dessert cupcakes in a snap. I also love to provide beverages right at my guests' fingertips, and I have some non-breakable drinkware. I have a beautiful galvanized tub here. If galvanized isn't your thing, take some spray paint the outside, and it'll match any decor you have. I could also put some barbecue sauce in here or other marinades from my grill and make it really easy access. And why have a bunch of mismatched coolers sitting on your patio when you can make these beautiful matching buckets to hold all kinds of capacity for your next party? This is such a great way to present all of your drinks to your guests. Makes it easy access, easy to see, they know exactly what's there, and this is really one of my favorite projects for this entire patio. I hope I gave you some really great entertaining tips with my 5 steps to success. So why not let Home Depot, Hampton Bay, and Traeger do all the heavy lifting for you for your patio style this season. This is Renee Romeo of ReneeRomeo.com. You can shop every single item that you see here at Home Depot, except the cupcakes, and you can go to my website under Things I Use, and you can click on any one of these products and get it delivered to your door or pick it up at the store quickly. I so enjoyed doing this, and I so thank Home Depot for the opportunity. This has really been a joy for me, and I hope you enjoyed what I did with all of their products.